Hey guys, Uncle Pip here, and welcome to the January 2023 farm vlog video. That's a mouthful, but it's the first farm vlog of 2023. Before we dive into that though, since it is a new year, I should at least say it one more time. If you're new to the channel, I'm Uncle Pip. I'm trying to start a farm from scratch. I live in town and I rent 5 acres of farm from a neighboring farm. And this whole channel has been about my journey of learning along the way. So if you're learning along the way, go through some of the older videos and check out my mistakes. Learn from my mistakes so you don't have to. Also, I have some other hobbies and interests, and I put stuff about those on there. I have an interest in old farm equipment, as you can see. I also like Jeeps. So all of that is on this channel. Hope you enjoy it. Now let's just dive back into this. You might notice that this video is getting published later than the rest of them. And when I started this year, I really wanted to do one farm vlog video every month. Now, I had a minor medical situation. That's a good way to put that. And that kind of knocked me out of the fight for a little while. And I have a surgery coming up first week of February. So because of that, I don't expect to publish a farm vlog video in February. So this video will be January and February 2023. Hopefully I'm recovered in time from the surgery, because then my second child is due to be born at the end of February. So February is going to be a huge month for me this year. I might not publish any videos for a while after the next two, this one and the one after. And we'll talk about that later in this video. So just know that I am here working in the background. There's a lot of stuff going on. Now today I'm also unloading my truck. You'll be seeing that here as I work. I went out and finally bought the poultry plucker today. So they are very hard to come by where I live, and I found one in stock, so I went ahead and bought it. So that's what we're going to set it up today, make sure it all is there, make sure nothing's broke on it. And once I'm satisfied with it, we'll put it in the enclosed trailer. And I think that'll wrap me up for today's work. Now you might have noticed with the last video that I did, it was a black and white video, and I wanted to talk about it a little bit more. It was a World War II reenactment that I was at, and it was a reenactment of the Battle of Bastogne. So if you're not familiar with that, just jump on Google. Everybody knows what that is. But it was pretty cool. Had a great time. All that footage, of course, I filmed myself. None of that's original. I edited it. I put it together myself. So that's that. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, I ran out of time. I tried to put it together, just didn't work out. So you got that. It's gonna be in March when I put it together, I guess. I just don't have a lot of time right now. If I get time to put it together, I'll make a video, set it all up. I think it'll be fun. I didn't want to rush it was the big thing. I couldn't figure everything out quite right and wasn't ready. Didn't have the time. Quite honestly, I had to stop and get some meds because it's medicine time. The next video I'm publishing, told you I was going to come back to this. After this video, hopefully I'll work on more raw footage from the World War II reenactment. I'll narrate some of that as well. You can hear my phone going off. So there's that. Other big updates. I also got a new part-time job. You may know or may not know. I work full-time for a company. And now I also work part-time in addition to my full-time job. So I'm trying to stay as busy as possible, I guess. There's also some footage going to be circulating about the tree cutters. We had some people come to cut some trees down for us. They did a pretty good job, but that also brings us to the corn situation. We were planning on doing corn. That was kind of dependent on finding our disc. We had 2 different discs sitting in a field under a tree. The tree grew through the discs, and I wasn't sure what condition they were in. So the tree cutters came in and cut the trees down, and we cannot use the disc. So I'm thinking we're gonna scratch the entire idea of making corn this year, growing corn this year. I don't think we're gonna be growing corn this year because of that. I don't have a lot of gas in this, so we don't have much time to play with it. Alright guys, well thanks for watching till the end of this video. I know we've covered a lot of ground, from poultry pluckers, assemblies, the whole way down to cutting trees and my health. It's a lot of stuff to cover in one video. I'll talk to you later, and hopefully March, that's when I plan on coming back. So again, don't expect to see too much action in February, but you never know. Might get you something out there. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.